Happy wife. I was watching a video on the YouTube streets. Yeah, man, and they hard you. And the way me see you deal with your husband, Chris. Happy wife, you're on your sick bed. You can't deal with your husband, so no. He no look good. He no look good. You make video now, Chris, you're disrespecting your husband. And in your video, you have the audacity and your video and put it on social media. You can't deal with your husband, so happy wife. You have to show your husband love. Because plenty man, when you're sick kind of then they stage you, then just step away and go find a new woman. But Chris is there with you. You can't talk down to your husband, so. Not because he might leave the door open for letting whosoever. You're behaving like that and then you put it on the internet. Happy wife, you have to wake up, you know. You have to wake up, you have to know God, happy wife. Because God can heal you. But no. You're embarrassing your husband. I say, my God, I'm not in Chris shoes, you know. And I feel so bad. I'm not in film shoes. Because I remember one incident, you know, I come to Canada. And this Jamaican guy was telling me, say, he file for his wife and 2 kids and bring them come to Canada. And when woman go to university and everything, and graduate from nursing school, register nurse, she start to disrespect him. When she carry over her friend them from different races, lock her husband in her basement. The man can't even make a sound. Black women, we need to wake up. We are so lonely. We can't find a man to settle down with. We have to share. Because anytime we decide, say, yes, we reach the climax. We have a degree. We start making that money. We can purchase a home. In a Western world country, back home, we can drive a car, we have some money. Material things is not all. You need a companion. Look at my husband sometimes. You think so because me might marry for 12 years. Sometimes me and my husband have ups and downs. Yes, man. Sometimes he shout off at me and embarrass me. But sometimes just walk off. Me just walk away. Because sometimes when two fire collided, it just sparks. So we as women, black women, sometimes we have to just calm down, man. And allow the man to be a man. Allow our husband to be a man in the house. Don't boy up your husband. Because a lot of Nigerian one up here, you know. A lot of Nigerian woman, when they leave from Africa and come here, then change like green lizard, then deal with their husband like this word up here. Yes, guys. Because I remember this Ghana guy was giving my husband a drama saying for his wife, you know. And 3 kids are Ghana, you know, and bring her come to Canada, you know. And when the woman paperwork straight and everything, the woman just lift up, you know. Say, we black women must stop it. We are so lonely. When the rest of race them can grow old with them spouses. We're not nobody. We are so single. Because when we start make that money, it's all about us. Yes, man, black women, it's all about us. We need to stop it. Happy wife treat her husband. Lord have mercy. We have to wake up. We have to pour in. Because I remember my grandfather, when my grandmother gets strokes, he moved out. That time I'm a teenager, you know, guys. And my grandfather find a younger woman. And he move in with her and everything. Buy her house, move in, buy her truck, everything. And when they move in and everything, grandfather even having business. And one day he come in early. And when he come in early, now one man he catch in our house, a whistle tailpipe on the woman and his wife. And my grandfather grab him machete, you know, guys. A couple of years that ago, you know, because my grandfather passed away in 2016. And my grandfather rushed the 2 of them. And the same girl there called police by my grandfather and lock him away. And me and him have to come together from England and America, come together to find $1 million Jamaican dollar to bail him out. Hey! So that's why I love to share these stories about, yes, say black women, we don't need to open our eyes. Yeah, when other race, when black men marry to other race, we are so pissed off. We are so pissed off. See, I saw so much in Canada, guys. Sometimes it's so disgusted when black women elevate and include to say, yes, them have it all. They change. They start to take their husbands like boys, house boys. I have saw so much of it. I remember one time, you know, this Nigerian woman, yes man, her husband come to the shop. And her husband and the way she was dealing with her husband, me said to my God, because she filed for me now. She had deal with her husband in front of me and my husband, and me said to me, say, I just shake my head and say, look at this. Black women, we need to stop it. We need to wake up because we are so lonely. And then we come on the internet and said, yes, we are happy. We are not happy. We are not happy being single. We are not happy. We are just pretending because we can come on the internet and create a TikTok video shorts, or we can come on the YouTube streets and create a YouTube shorts and pretend like we are happy, but we are actually lonely. Look at Alicia Kim now. As Alicia Kim find a good man like Boo is back. And when she get her paperwork and everything, she start to knock Boo. Every time she depend on that tear down, but if you stop tear down with black men, and I open on Alisa, big up crew no come for me, you know. I work on a crew then one and come for me. Yes, we black women. Because I know say whole heap want to have Alicia Kim back. I don't know say Alicia Kim. It's not good. She screwed Boo. Yes man, she screwed Boo big time. I mean no say Nari can support her like oh Boo is back. Yeah, I know that, but I know that sweet boy cannot take care of Alicia Kim's need. Yes, just like come here talk about black woman, just come right back to Alicia Kim. Yes, man, guys. See, you know, so Tamara love to chat, you know. So anyway, guys, leave a comment on this video, you know. Bye.